hope you all are doing good. Today in this video we will see how we can combine multiple Excel sheets into one consolidated sheet. Okay, so and with the help of powerful tool that is Power Query. Okay, so in order to do that, some of the Microsoft Office it does not have Power Query. You can see here. So I'll give you the description below in the link. You can go ahead and download that plugin, and you can work on the Power Query. Okay, so in order to do that, I have two tables here, as you can see, table 1 and table 2. So I have two sheets here. Okay, and I want to combine both the sheets into one single sheet. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and create table, because once you are in this sheets into table, then only Power Query can read those data. Okay, so I'll go to Power Query and then from table. Okay, then what you have to select the range. Okay, so I'll select the range. Okay, so this is my range. Click OK. This is asking my table has headers, so make sure you check this box, click on OK. So as you see, the Power Query editor window pops up. Just you have to click on load and save. Okay, so as you see, our table has been created here. Now we'll go to sheet 2. Okay, here also we will do the same. From table, we'll create table for this sheet. Now I have to select the range, so click on this icon to select the range. Okay, click on OK. Then yes, my table has headers. This is the header. Click on OK. Now again, Power Query editor pops up. Here also you need to click on pause and load. So as you can see here, two query has been created, table 1 and table 2, with 7 rows each. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to Power Query and click on Append in order to combine both the sheets. Okay, now if you have more than two tables, you can just select here 3 tables or more tables. Click on table 1, click add, then click on table 3 and click add. Then finally click OK. So again, the Power Query editor pops up and it will show you how your data has been arranged, as you can see here. Then click on load and save, and your combined data will come into a separate sheet where you have all the information. You can see the multiple items, and you can see both the sheets has been combined into one single sheet. And I'll give you the Power Query download extension in the link. Okay, and that's all for today. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment below. And one more thing, if the Power Query is not popping up here, just go to File, then go to Options. Okay, then go to this section, Customize Toolbar, Customize Ribbon, and make sure you switch on this. Click on Developer Mode and Power Query. Then click OK, and it will pop up here. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you like the video. Give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you, and you have a great day. Bye bye.